Hello. Today something unusual. Here we have the manual choke mechanism. I converted my automatic Peerbook 2A3 carburetor to manual choke. Easily made. I will make probably video about it. Here we have new wires for wire harness. Here we have that's the replacement for the headlights and the other lights that need to be engaged when car turned on. Front light, brake light and position lights are on. Be at that switch, it just shares the positive side. Here we have blinker left, right, the long lights, that's the switch for the wiper relay. Here we have one switch for the blower motor inside there. That's the excitation wire for the field, alternator field. That's the start button. And I will show you that's new wires, heavy gauge wires. I put everywhere fuses, diodes. Here we can see external fuse holders, wires, brand new wires. I have connector problems, crimping tools, they are not really strong enough. Here we have switch, ignition coil switch, the cooling fan for the engine, the radiator core, blower motor. Here it is. So I made this separately. Everything so far works. Little need to be done. I know the mask, front mask is off. I must replace it. Opel has terrible plastic problems. The front mask here cracked. I must repair that with fiberglass, and I think I will show that video as well. Here it goes, nothing. That's from Corsa A. Corsa A Opel manual choke. Give it that. Activate the relay for ignition coil. Start button. Yes, I'm in manual. Then you press field to the alternator. You perhaps heard the engine voice. Slow it down a little bit. Blower motor. Long lights. Short lights, position lights. That's the wiper. Left, right. That's here. The radiator core cooler. That's the choke. A little bit must funnel until the engine warms up a little bit. Mostly all functions are present. Everything is fine. Everything works. I have extra switches here if I want to put something else here. I removed the handbrake. It's stuck. I need to do that, and I need to make horn and connect the thruster relay rear windscreen. That must I done. Here are extra connectors. So that's how it looks. Instrument panel, external instrument panel, who works perfectly well. Yeah, the engine is little cooled. but that's how it looks. Manual wire harness, brand new wires, regular JM stuff. You can find it also on YouTube how it's done, each circuit separately. So I hope you like it. Thank you for watching.